Hello, this is AJ again. Welcome to the Point of View stories for Slow Burn. Same story, different time frames, different points of view. Deep breath, let's start. Tiffany has always loved cats. Really, since she was a small child, she has loved cats. And every year, she has bought more cats. Or she has found more cats. But since she was a child, she has wanted a purple cat. She has especially wanted to have a purple cat. But she could never afford a purple cat. They have always been too expensive for her. And so, starting when she was young, continuing as she became an adult, she has set aside money every day to save for that special purple cat. Every day she has saved. Every week she has saved. Every month she has set aside money for a purple cat. Every year she has set aside money. She has allocated all of that money for only one purpose: buying a purple cat. She has done this every week, every month, every year of her life. Well, finally one day, she did it. She saved $12,500,000. Immediately, she went to the pet store. But they were sold out of purple cats. Oh, no. So she sprinted across the city to another pet shop. But they were also sold out. She sprinted to another, and another, and another. She sprinted to every pet shop in the city. None of them had purple cats. They were all sold out of purple cats. Tiffany cried and cried. Oh, God, no purple cats. She cried for a long time. 27 days and 5 hours, in fact. Until finally, she relinquished her dream of getting a purple cat. She let go of it. Tiffany finally relinquished her dream of getting a purple cat. And instead, she bought a nice, pretty, cute, sweet, pink cat. Tiffany bought a little pink cat, and she loved it very much. And so Tiffany and all of her cats were very, very happy together. All right, that's the end of our first POV story. Let's go to the next one, into the future. So you can imagine, maybe I'm talking about a story idea I have. Maybe I'm talking about an idea for a movie that's going to happen in the future. I'm telling someone about this. Maybe I'm telling you. Let's start. So in the future, there will be a woman, a girl, named Tiffany. And she'll have 29 cats already. But she's gonna need one more cat. And she's gonna need a very special cat. She'll want a purple cat. So every day, she'll set aside money to buy a purple cat. In fact, she'll allocate all of her spare money, all of her savings, for the purpose of buying a purple cat. She's going to allocate all of her savings for that purpose. And one day, she'll finally do it. One day, she will save a total of $12,500,000. And immediately, she's going to run to the closest pet store. But they'll be sold out of purple cats. They won't have any purple cats. So then, she'll sprint across the city to another pet store. They'll be sold out too. So she'll sprint to another and another and another. She'll sprint to every pet store in the city. But none of them will have a purple cat. They won't have a purple cat. They'll be sold out. Tiffany will be very sad and she'll cry. In fact, she's going to cry for 27 days and 5 hours. She'll cry and she'll cry and she'll cry until finally, after 27 days and 5 hours, she'll finally relinquish her dream of getting a purple cat. She'll finally relinquish that dream. And then she'll buy a nice, cute, wonderful little pink cat. And Tiffany will love her little pink cat, and the little pink cat will love Tiffany. They'll be very happy. And in fact, Tiffany and all her cats, all 30 cats, will be very happy together. And that's the end of our point of view lessons for Slow Burn. See you next time. Bye-bye.